we'd like to introduce you to this brand new passive income method that uses 100% free traffic and makes money day after day and month after month. Before we get started, let me ask you a quick question. What did you see when you logged onto your computer this morning? Did you see this with zeros in your account? And would you prefer to see this, a passive money engine generating you over $292 a day? Unfortunately, most passive income methods just don't work the way they say it will. There's almost nothing worse than working your butt off and having nothing to show for it. We've all been there, and it's a terrible feeling. That's why I was so excited when Mosh showed me a method a few weeks ago that actually ended up being a real passive income method. Mosh and I were on a Skype call one day when he casually let me know he'd discovered a method that was changing his business and making him money in his sleep. I didn't believe it at first when Mosh showed me how much money he was making on autopilot with just a few minutes of simple work. As you could see, over $150 with just 30 minutes of very simple work. Mosh was flooding his account with recurring income while living the internet lifestyle, using a brand new method that was different than anything I'd ever seen. And after a little back and forth, I convinced Mosh to release this to the public. Now, although we stand behind everything we release, we really wanted the next method we put out there to be the best and easiest method we've ever released. A method that would actually be 100% newbie friendly and simple, use free traffic for real, start making your money fast, as in within 24 hours or less fast, and also generate a consistent passive income stream, not just a one-hit wonder. We also wanted to include a push-button software to put this whole thing on autopilot and backed up by real proof, which is why we put together Re-Ka-Ching. Now we're calling this Re-Ka-Ching for obvious reasons. It's because you receive a ka-ching month after month. And the best part is, it only takes you a few minutes to create your first $500 per month passive money engine. Go out there, get your first Re-Ka-Ching campaign up and running in minutes, and you'll be making money like this. Want to make more? Just Re-Ka-Ching your way to profits with another campaign. Use the included push button software so you can create this whole income and put it on autopilot. And that money just keeps rolling in for Mosh day after day with just a few simple minutes of work. So even if you've tried dozens of methods for making money online and struggle to get the results you're looking for, you will start making money straight into your account within 24 hours from right now using Re-Ka-Ching. And to make this even easier for you, we're going to let you give Re-Ka-Ching a try on our dime for the next 30 days. Here's exactly how this works. Get Re-Ka-Ching right now at a big discount. Follow what's inside to get set up today and use our push button software to put all this on autopilot. Start making some money into your account, then decide if this is for you. If for some crazy reason you don't make money, we'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose with this deal is by missing out on your chance to get Re-Ka-Ching and the bonuses at a massive discount. So click the button below now for no-risk access to Re-Ka-Ching. If you're a newbie or you've been struggling, this is going to change everything and finally give you the consistent daily income you're looking for. Re-Ka-Ching is new, Re-Ka-Ching is fresh, Re-Ka-Ching is newbie friendly. And you can create as many passive money engines spitting out money day after day as you like. There is a warning though, the price will be increasing with every sale. If you come back later, you will end up paying more for this or risk missing out completely. Imagine waking up to daily ka-chings, day after day and month after month. This is very possible with Re-Ka-Ching because this method is fast, simple and proven to work for anyone. So click the buy now button below to take advantage of the early bird price, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.